So baby, you like the surrounding and things.
I like everything about the surrounding, baby. I like everything out here. Blue Lagoon with there now. I like it.
But different way to me, it look like, feel that comfortable and things around the place.
I'm comfortable and everything, baby, but guess what? I really would eat so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, if a food problem, that was minor. See? You just tell you what you want to eat. And
That's why I love my baby, But baby, when I want to eat, you're not going to want to give me.
yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, you tell me what you want to eat, man, and we have food around for eat.
Baby, you're not going to want to give me what I want to eat.
Yeah, man, we have food for you, man. Just say your word, what kind of food you want.
Baby, alright. Let me tell you what I feel for. I feel for a piece of jerk pork.
Jerk pork?
Yeah.
What you say? What you say? A Rasta man you talk to you now.
Oh.
A Rasta man you talk to you now.
A piece of...
What kind of girl them, man? A Rasta man you talk to. A fire upon the pork, you know. A fire upon the pork, you know.
I want to leave a piece of pork. I can't want to for me.
Fire upon the pork. Fire upon the pork.
That's what I'm like, Rasta man, fire upon which pork?
Fire upon the pork, yeah. This Rasta man that is thing.
Before no take up crosses pa so if you don't know a red flag you come like me I forgot make you know. So if you not look a man and when you ask a man question like them I say baby, so which part you live? You know me and my mother live though.